Welcome back to Be Happy with Sophia. Today's breakfast again idli and chutney. And today Matthew is helping me to pour the batter as I was trying to shoot the video. So thank you Matthew for it. And yesterday's batter was remaining. You remember yesterday also we had idli, dosha and chutney. So yesterday's batter was remaining. I usually do that so that I can use it for 2 days. But still we had this for breakfast, but for tiffin I had to make chapati because he always takes chapati in his tiffin, and even children like more chapatis, so usually we make chapatis 365 days. So idli is being kept, the first round of idli is being kept in the pot. This is the red leafy vegetable, which is also called as red spinach or cheera in Malayalam. It's a very nutritious dish, and being summertime, I feel it is very cooling for your body and very nutritious too. So I made this bhaji for chapati because Matthew wanted to take chapati with his tiffin. So this bhaji was prepared in the morning itself along with the round goal chapati. This is a basa fish which we got it from a supermarket. So I thought today I'll make fish fingers for today's vlog. So I've cut the fish in a shape of fingers and have started marinating it with 1 spoon of crushed pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and squeeze half lemon juice on it and keep it marinated for at least half an hour. And guys, please do tell me how did you like the recipe also. Now let's prepare the batter for the fish finger. I have taken 1 cup of flour. This I have taken rice flour. Usually you can take maida. 1 spoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and little bit of salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and little water so that you can mix it and make it a smooth consistency. Now take 2 eggs in another bowl and mix it properly. Now in another bowl take some breadcrumbs which we will be needing for the frying of the fish fingers. So here comes the breadcrumbs. Now take a pan and pour some oil Here I have taken at least 6 to 7 or 8 tablespoons of oil. I have not gone for deep frying, neither shallow fry. So dip the fish fingers which we had kept marinated for half an hour, remove it, dip it in that batter, the rice batter and that masala batter. Then dip it in the egg and then roll it in the breadcrumbs this way. After rolling it in the breadcrumbs, you can keep it directly to fry. Here goes the first finger. Oh yeah, it looks so yummy. The children are already standing behind me to have it. So this way I dipped the second finger, dip it again in the egg batter and roll it in the breadcrumbs, and the remaining pieces also you can do it in the same way and add it to the oil. Now it's ready, the snacking time, the fish fingers with mayonnaise and tomato ketchups.